Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a Reverso translation app. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Reverso context app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.